Millennium Development Goal and Sustainable Development Goal is a most important and 100% sure topic of UGC NET People and Environment. So here you are not able to remember that, how to remember that. That's why I am giving you some tricks, and after watching this video you will never forget. So definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification, and to get this type of short trick from where you will get 100% confirm marks. So here it is the Millennium Development Goal. As you can see, in the Millennium Development Goal, there are 8 goals, right? So you can see there are 8 goals under Millennium Development Goals, and sustainable there are 17 goals. Millennium Development Goals started from 2000 to 2015. It was the target, and here it was 2015 to 2030. This is the target till 2030. Millennium Development Goal was little bit narrow, means here broader way they was not thinking. Here you can see the eradicate poverty and hunger, extreme. It was focusing on extreme, but it is no poverty. So it is in broader way. Here universal only focusing on primary education. Here it is focusing on quality education, that is overall education. Here it is promoting on child mortality and maternal health, but here it is good health and well-being, means it is again broader way. So here also it is zero hunger. This point only they have divided into 2 parts. Here this point was extreme poverty and hunger, but here no poverty and zero hunger. That is the target. And here there was 2 points, that is mortality, child mortality and maternal health, that is in good health and well-being in 1 point. Here it is focusing on primary education, here it is focusing on quality education. Here it is promote gender equity and empower women. It is focusing especially on women. Here it is gender equity also there, and here also they means it is more reducing the inequalities. This is also there. Now next one is that for especially HIV, malaria, it is focusing on especially HIV, malaria, this type of diseases, not for all diseases, but here overall health and well-beings, right? Now there are some more. Here was the ensure the environmental sustainability. Only 1 point was there, but regarding environment it is breaking in different part. Affordable, that is climate action, life below water, life on the land. These are the area of the ensuring environment, and responsible for the consumption and the production. Sustainable city and communities. Here industry, also focusing on the industry, innovation, infrastructure. Decent work. So decent work and economical growth. So economical growth was not there. Here it was not a factor. And this is the affordable energy. So only it is 1 point was there for ensuring environmental sustainability. Here it is breaking into divide point, that is clean energy, climate action, life below water, life on land, and regarding the sustainable cities also there, clean energy also there. So these are the different points they have divided. Now some extra point is also added, that is the industry and infrastructure and sustainable communities. These are the extra point that was not there. And peace, justice and strong institution. This is the totally extra point what is added in the Sustainable Development Goal, but it was not there in Millennium Development Goal. And finally there is development of global partnership for the development. So here is also the partnership for the goal that was there. So now finally how to remember? Only remember that Millennium Development Goal was focusing on means specifically extreme poverty and hunger, but it is sustainable is no poverty, zero hunger. Here it was primary education, millennium, but here it is good quality education for everyone. Here it is only child mortality and maternal health, but here this was the overall health and well-beings also. And now there was only for the malaria, HIV, but it is the overall health already there. For regarding environment, only one point was there, that environmental sustainability. It is break in different point: affordable, clean energy, life below water, climate, life on land. These are the different types of breakage. After that, some new points are added also regarding industry, regarding economic growth, regarding communities, peace, justice, and the partnership goals. So these are the extra point is also added here under sustainable development. So in that way you have to remember, so that you can do all the question. And I will upload some question from sustainable development goal and the millennium development goal, all the previous years question for your practice. So stay tuned with this channel and please share this video to all of your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again in my next video.